Tracy with our first alert forecast today. Hey, Tracy.
Oh my gosh, what horrible news.
I know.
You just bought it? Well, at least you weren't in it.
Yes.
And you didn't get hurt.
Yes, silver
Okay,
lining.
let's talk about your live radar. They still got rounds of rainfall likely today for Southern California. That atmospheric river essentially stalled out over the region, giving them more boatloads of rainfall. So take a look at the flash flood warning that is in effect for Los Angeles and Ventura counties. That's at 10 o'clock this morning, and the rain just keeps on coming. So how much rainfall have they picked up so far? Bel Air, more than 11 inches of rainfall. Woodland Hills also looking at close to 11 inches of rainfall. Beverly Hills at 8 inches of rainfall. LA downtown 7 inches, and Santa Monica at more than 6.5 inches of rainfall. So those are some new two-day storm totals for parts of Southern California. And of course, there's more on the way. So the low pressure system that's really igniting this system sitting off the coastline here, that's going to keep more rounds of rainfall in the forecast. Anytime you see a little yellow and orange, that is a pocket of some heavier rain, some heavy downpours. This system has not wrapped up just yet. As you continue to see plumes of moisture being fueled into Southern California, it keeps the showers in play. They will become more scattered as you move throughout the day, and that's when we add in another element. That's going to be the chance of thunderstorms for Southern California, which only exacerbates the issue, right? Flood outlook still honing in on Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Santa Ana, just outside of Palm Springs, but not as high as it was yesterday. Today you can see a slight risk. Yesterday we were looking at a high risk. So each day tends to get a little better for them. Atmospheric river scale. So it is basically from 1 to 5. Can you believe this one was between a 2 and a 3? That's hard to believe. Yeah, 2 considered mostly beneficial but can be hazardous, and then 3 would be a moderate atmospheric river, balance of beneficial and hazardous. So if this is between a 2 and a 3, I don't want to be around when a 5 comes around. No, none of us do. So here's a look at our forecast today. Plenty of clouds in the forecast for today. You'll still have a few rogue showers. Afternoon highs coming in the mid to upper 50s. 7-day forecast. So we got another system that sweeps through the area on tomorrow. Not a big system, but just enough to kick up the chance of showers. Also, another one dips down on Friday. After that, we are high and dry just in time for the upcoming weekend. So if you got any storm damage, you got to pick up around the house. You got a wonderful weekend to do it. And if you're inviting family and friends over to watch the Super Bowl, well, that's a great forecast. Go outside on the patio, put on some, I was going to say ribs, Court, but I know you don't do that. Put on some eggplant or some artichoke and enjoy your life. That's a look at your weather for your first alert traffic. Good morning, Court.